I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Buy honey for your fucking hair. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs.
Love the tree.
No one has to know. No one has to know.
I buy you shit because you wear it, and plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear.
What's up, Ayllin? Get to the middle, Ayllin, what up? Here we go. Fuck you, me! Another one that ain't recommend her. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch on the ground. Sing it up! Sing it up! Sing it! The bird. Shitting on all you.
She was tatted up. Sleep the club if you want me bad enough.
Let me show you how the gangsters do it. I know you try to get it off, turn the price and tell off. Let me fuck you to this gangster music. Body banging, I can't refuse it. Pussy good so tight, now I gotta abuse it. One stroke, two strokes.
Don't be shy, girl. Don't be shy.
You boys all cap up more college.
I see you.
My brand's affordable healthcare.
I'm the Sagittarius energy right there. Let's go.
Turn my W's to N's.
A naked dancer, but she begging me to wife. When the first time I met my mama, she was a one night. Hell no, home, no, but my money and my wife. At the top like Alpha Toe, I told her to beat it, even though she bad. She don't wanna be a freak no more. She don't wanna take money, get geek no more. She don't wanna the street no more. She don't wanna see the ball. So young nigga walking straight in with the goal. I apologize. You know that my niggas, they witnessed you late. You want me to tell her now? Oh no, she must be crazy.
Everybody get your roll on.
And so just like that, an hour later, we finally made it to DFW because my flight was at 6 a.m. and we had just enough time to go back to Eillin's house and freshen up after Fort Worth. So the minute that I passed TSA, I put my shades on because I didn't want anyone to see that I had been clubbing the whole night prior. And once I got to the airplane, I literally fell asleep. I was so tired that I ended up waking up in Chicago. So I'm finally getting my luggage because I couldn't do carry-on this time since I had so much perfume. I couldn't wait to rejuvenate, take a shower, and nap in my bed. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for the next SV vlog.